This demonstration shows the correct way to load JM Climate Pro into the hopper. Installing blow-in fiberglass is a two-person job. While one person handles the hose and placement of the product, it is critical to have a second person monitoring the hopper and loading product in an optimal way. Before beginning installation, make sure your hopper is clean and clear of any debris, including plastic wrapping and tools. Load one bag of JM Climate Pro at a time, with no more than 2 bags in the hopper. Once there is half a bag or less in the hopper, begin to add another bag. Repeat these steps until you install both the required bag count and required install depth. It's important not to overfill the hopper by adding too much product at once. When properly filled, the paddles in the hopper are more effective in breaking up the compressed blow-in fiberglass, increasing overall performance, and providing optimal coverage. An overfilled hopper is a common mistake, but it's easily avoided. Properly fill your hopper to improve coverage. For more information on blow-in fiberglass or additional best practices, visit jm.com.